The decision of the jurors was made known in court after Justice Lydia Osei-Marfo read her ruling on whether the caution statements of the accused persons should be admitted into evidence. The decision by the jurors to abandon their duties is due to the failure of authorities to pay their allowances. They say this has affected their ability to carry out their duties as they cannot further bear the cost of footing for their transportation in and out of court. This appears to be a challenge to the trial, which has been ongoing since 2021 when prosecution called its first witness, as the judge indicated that the court is unable to give any particular date by which the jury will be brought to the proceedings. Justice Lydia Osei-Marfo, before making this known, had overruled the objection of accused persons to the tendering of their caution statements as evidence. The evidence was introduced when prosecution's eighth witness, who is a police investigator, took the stand to testify. Lawyers of the accused persons, Daniel Asiedu and Vincent Bosso, argued that the statements of their clients were not given voluntarily. This led to a mini-trial in the absence of the jury as required by Section 120, subsection 6 of the Evidence Act. Prosecution during the mini-trial called witnesses, including the investigator, who were cross-examined. But after considering the evidence made available during the mini-trial, the court ruled that the caution statements were made voluntarily and hence overruled the objection of counsel of the accused person. Justice Lydia Osei-Marfo, in her ruling, stated that the accused persons were not coerced by police, nor were they promised any favors before they voluntarily gave the caution charge statement. Also in court, Minority Leader Kesela Forson was directed to file his witness statement by May 4 this year in the ongoing financial loss to the state case involving the purchase of some ambulances. This followed an application by Kesela Forson for leave to file 9 witness statements as part of his defense. The minority leader, together with the other accused persons, were expected to have filed their witness statements earlier to allow for case management conference ahead of the opening of their defenses. But lawyers of Forson in court on Tuesday indicated that their client was unable to have conferences with some of the witnesses who were outside the country. Even though the judge presiding over the case, Justice Efia-Sewa Asare-Botwe, could not comprehend why the accused person did not leverage on technology to get the witnesses to type, sign, scan, and send over the witness statements to him, she approved the application for leave. The other 2 accused persons, Seth Animana, a former chief director at the Ministry of Health, and Richard Jakpa, a businessman, have also revealed that they will present 6 and 5 witnesses respectively as part of their defenses. The court also granted a disclosure application by Forson for warrant of payment, which he claims details the person who authorized the payment. The case against Forson is that he signed the letters of credit which formed the basis for the payment that resulted in a financial loss to the state without authority. The court has directed the state to make the disclosures by Friday, April 21 this year. The case has been adjourned to May 9, 2023 for case management conference. Justice Efia-Sewa Asare-Botwe has, however, served notice that the matter will be completed by August 31 this year to enable her focus on her role as Court of Appeal judge.